Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm back on another Road to CCNA video, and in this lesson, we covered SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol. So SNMP is used to manage network devices such as routers, firewalls, and switches. And what we'll have is the NMS is what they call it, the Network Management Station. This is like the big boss overseeing the managed devices, making sure everything's okay with the devices. Whenever there's something that goes wrong or something needs to be updated, these two will communicate with each other, the managed devices and the network management station. Now, how they'll communicate is through sending, messages to each other. And there are four types of these messages. We got read messages. That's just to get information on the device or interface. We have write messages. That's to update certain things, such as a host name. Then there's notification messages. That's to let us know like if an interface is down or something is broken. And then we have response messages. And most of the time, you will get a response message from sending any of these three other message types, unless it's a trap message, which is a type of notification message, which is considered unreliable. Now, this sounds like a lot to keep track of, but that's where management information bases come into play in object identifiers. So MIBs, or management information bases, are basically like a structured database or a blueprint for everything that can be controlled or reported by a device via SNMP. And OIDs map you exactly to the piece of data that you're looking for. Also, may I add, the managed devices uses UDP port 161 and the NMS uses UDP port 162. But yeah, that's about everything that we covered in this lesson. Overall, pretty fun lesson. You don't need to know how to configure SNMP for the CCNA. There is a lab that's optional. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. It does say at the top that SNMP functionality is very limited. So we'll just do what we can do and I will get that on video. So starting with 1, configure the following SNMP communities on R1. So this is the command for Cisco 1, the community, the read-only community. So this will be a public one. Did that. Now for Cisco 2, which is a read-write private one. Read-only means like it can be viewed by everyone, but you can't make any changes to it. And then read-write means that you can make changes to it, but not just anyone can make changes to it. Like I said, it's private. We're on number 2, and we're going to use SNMP get messages via the MIB browser on PC1 to check the following. We're going to check for all of those. So we got the MIB browser. All right, we're in the MIB browser. I did this address here because that is the address of the router on the G00 interface. And let's see what we get. So with the help of ChatGPT, I came up with the OID to check the system uptime. So now let's give this a go. Invalid OID. Okay, so I figured out what I did wrong. Well, one, I could have clicked through here from the beginning and got to the system uptime that we were looking for. I was literally 1 point off from getting it right from what I got from ChatGPT. But after I put it in, I had an issue also saying that the read community, so this right here, and this advanced right here, it says it cannot be empty. So I didn't realize that this has to match the community string that I configured, which is Cisco 1, to get information about that router. Now, when I did that, I was able to get the response I was looking for, which is 9 hours, 22 minutes, and 10 seconds. So to keep the video shorter, we're going to go right to number 3, and I'll work on these other ones after. But we're going to use an SNMP set message from PC1 to change the host name of R1. Now a set message, of course, that's a write message. We're basically going to send an update. We're going to update the host name of R1. And I kind of already got it set up with the help of ChatGPT. I got this OID. This is going to change the host name. And then the data type I chose is octet string because the host names are stored as text. And all texts in SNMP are stored as an octet string in the SNMP MIB. So the value that I'm choosing of the new host name is going to be router 1+1. So let's do that. And we'll do this. Oh, wait. So for the right community, I put this Cisco 2. Okay, let's see if it changed. Oh, that was crazy. Okay, it changed. That's dope. So appreciate y'all for checking in with me. I am about to do these other ones right here and just play with this a little bit.